remove the following components: the small bag of parts, the large foot plate, the foot pedal, the bottle and pump assembly, plunger, and the main tube. Peel back the protective netting at both sides of the main tube. Place the main tube on the floor right side up. Inside the small bag of parts, locate the thin metal plate. Insert the thin metal plate into the two holes at the top of the main tube. Using the small bolt, attach it to the end of the thin metal plate to hold it in place. Now turn the main tube upside down. Insert the thick metal plate into the two holes at the bottom of the main tube. Make sure that this is located centrally. Take the large foot plate and the foot pedal and join the two together using the two lugs located on the foot pedal. While holding the foot pedal against the foot plate, turn the assembly upside down and place onto the bottom of the main tube, locating it in the 4 slots. Locate and insert the large countersunk screw. Using the hex key provided, tighten up the screw. Test the operation of the foot pedal before turning the main tube up the right way. Remove the small screw from the top plate and remove the top plate. The plunger has been preset to the correct height for the bottle provided. One of the 3 holding screws is further forward than the others. Carefully lower the plunger into the main tube. Remove the protective netting. After filling up the provided bottle with hand sanitizer or hand soap as required, insert into the main tube. Take the thin metal plate and insert it into the 2 slots at the top of the unit. Use the small screw and bolt provided to secure the top plate, or alternatively use a padlock, not provided. Test the operation of the sanitizer station by pressing the foot pedal